Cruise Nerds. We are headed to breakfast in Marcelin's Market. So, but first, we gotta wash our hands.
Just letting you know. Yeah.
It may just be
So how you were doing this? Over ice or just could I do it over ice? Yes. So I'm gonna bring it there for you to watch. Bring ice.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's a travel farm. I like the birdies. It's really cute. I'm just still like pants.
Yeah, we have to have a skirt first. Nope, skirt. Yeah, that's me. I've got the pants.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Oh, so
Yeah, I did.
You're good, you're good.
I know, I saw that.
I was like, oh, why never did Jenny? But that one's beautiful too. I didn't have one.
There we go. That looks so good. Okay. Now, we're going to do a really fun one. Are you ready to make a wish? You have a wish that you'd like to think of. Just think about wishes, and I'm going to tell you the wish just a few minutes, and I'll let you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
The rules for the wish.
That happens once a year.
A chance for friends to join us, of the royal sort, you see.
There's someone here to meet you for a sort of a wishing spree.
Wait, why are we rhyming?
Oh, I don't know.
Do we need this for the wish?
Well, a wish that rhymes is like a spell. We'll cast whilst wishing this.
Ooh, a one that's full of magic. Hey, that will do the trick. So wish upon the wishing star with rhyming. Make it quick.
Wishing star, please grant this wish and call our good friends here. Our princesses, our heroes, from kingdoms far and near. It's time for celebration. Huzzah to you most loyal. You all are welcome to give a cheer to a gathering most royal.
Ooh. With a little bit of magic, hard work, and the courage to keep on trying, you can make a dream come true. And she did it despite the obstacles she faced. From New Orleans, please welcome Princess Tiana! self-willed wayfarer with great pride in who she is and the challenges that may face her. She fought for what she valued even when all seemed lost. For when you sail beyond your reef with courage, you can cross any ocean. From the island of Montanui, it's Moana!
Welcome our royal friends with grand applause as we invite them to receive our special guests. Let's cheer them along their regal parade.
Yes, but before we bring our princesses, know this. This royal wish will only last a little while. For when the wishing star chimes, our guests must depart. But we'll bid them farewell with a full and thankful heart. I'm Riley again. Well, enough of my chatter, no further ado. Let's go meet our friends. I leave it to you. You can see. Right. Go ahead, Lady Lily.
Thank you, Lord Leopold. Princesses, delight.
Look at how regal. You're so jealous.
Wait, my collection.
So elegant. So royal. So gathered. Oh, and with that, let the royal gathering begin!
Well, ahoy cruise nerds. So we have a busy day today.
Very busy.
Yeah. And I'm old.
Oh.
I just turned another year older.
Yes. Oh, yes. It's Megan's birthday. Oh, yeah. There's so much going on.
I know.
I keep forgetting.
Gee, thanks, sis. No kidding. But
It's been a busy day.
It's been a busy day. So we are doing royal gathering today, so Anna can experience that. So that's something that you can pre-reserve. It's very popular, so I think it's like 15 days before your cruise you can start booking that roughly. So when you book a cruise, just check in the under onboard fun, and it shows the date that you can start booking it. So just keep an eye out on that. It goes fast.
And what is it?
Royal gathering is the meet and greet with certain princesses.
Yes. And today we have
Belle,
Moana,
Tiana, and Rapunzel. So I love Tiana. That's my favorite princess.
And I love Belle. She's my favorite.
And Mama's favorite princess right now is, well, it's still Rapunzel, but she's liking Moana because she likes the phrase, "The sea is calling me."
Yes. I love all these princesses.
Yeah.
So it's hard to choose.
Yeah. But anyway, so we're in line for that. Now, also I just noticed cruise nerds, and Anna was kind of like looking at me when I was taking a photo or screenshot of the tickets. You can actually modify once it's booked. Like there's a cancel button, and I'll actually show that on the screen to kind of show y'all that if someone doesn't want to go or someone has changed plans or anything like that, you can individually cancel them. Unlike before where you had to cancel all of them together.
And it's
which was
always
a bummer.
polite thing to do to cancel so that some other family who wanted to get a spot and couldn't,
Yeah.
they would be able to book
And I
their
just,
cancellation.
yeah, I just did that for Mom because she's not joining us, so I just did it for her, canceling.
Okay, ready?
Oh wow! Ooh, I like that. Oh, close. Oh, look at it! Ah! That looks awesome. Thank you, Mom. Guys, cruise nerds. My parents surprised me with a little bit of a birthday surprise. This is not the birthday one, but this is the Bon Voyage one. So it was unavailable for the birthday wishes, from what she told me. But anyways, it was still a sweet surprise. Thank you, Mommy.
That's pretty.
Oh, that is pretty. Set sail. I love that. Oh, that's amazing.
Cute up in your room. Up in
Yeah. Alright, cruise nerds. So we're going to Palos brunch, but I'm going to go ahead and record it going in, so see y'all in a few minutes.
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah. Well, and then because like I'm like, oh Sam, you have one of their keys. I'm like, oh, it's probably like Charlie's key. 3. Yeah.
Hello?
Okay, I'll sit right here.
Like the curd meats and the cheese, everything is coming from Italy. So, on my personal opinion, it's much better of an option than a seafood antipasto.
It will be forward. In November, no, December.
And of course, extra parmigiano.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, this is fantastic. Oh, beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Buon appetito.
Thank you so much. All right, cruisers. As y'all know, we are in Palo Steakhouse for brunch here on National Day, but we went ahead and got the antipasta selections. So here's the first one. Let me go ahead and try the best I can, and I'm gonna add this. That was the seafood one with tuna and everything, but we asked for extra tuna because my sister likes tuna. And then we got the other one, which is the antipasta, which has different olives and from Italy and Parmesan cheese.
Cured meats.
Cured meats, yes, cured meats. All right, cruisers. So Anna's joining me now because I was trying to let her enjoy the ambiance since we were here last cruise. So, but anyway, so she noticed something about the sweet tea because she requested sweet tea. So I'll let her tell you.
This is actually have unsweet tea is iced tea, but I noticed when the waiter was about to pour that it's a clear glass. It was already brown inside, so he said that the ice cubes are frozen tea, so that way the ice doesn't water down your tea. So the ice inside, it's one big tea ice cube.
Yeah, you could probably see that.
It's hard to see, but one big tea ice cube. How cool is that? So you always get fresh iced tea and not watered down.
Yeah, which is really cool. And also, cruisers, while we're at it, right behind Anna's head, you can see like right where I'm pointing. It looks like it's lighting, but it's different gears. Because if you remember when they announced it, Palos Steakhouse, it has more of Cogsworth in it. And then enchanté, that's a phrase that Lumiere's always said, but here we go.
So Palos is themed after Cogsworth, and you can see the O is Cogsworth's face right here.
Anyways, cruisers, we are gonna just pause here for now, and we're gonna talk a little bit and all that. So see y'all real soon, cruise nerds. Bye. Ahoy Cruise Nerds, so we're back. So we got lasagna bolognese, which is really good looking. So they brought that for the table for us to share and try it. And then all three of us, of course, got the chicken parmesan right here, Cruise Nerds. So it's fresh and everything. So we're gonna go enjoy, and I'll see y'all.
No, Mama wants to say something.
Mama wants to say something.
Here, look at the silverware.
Look at the silverware, Cruise Nerds.
Turn around the back of the fork.
It's like a beautiful design.
Yeah.
So y'all can see it better. And then also at the end as well.
I was just amazed going up the back, though.
Yeah, she was just amazed and in awe, and even like the knives were amazing as well. So, anyways, Cruise Nerds, so we're gonna go enjoy our brunch, and I'll see y'all real soon.
cream ladies.
You know, I'm going to video it.
Very cute looking porcelain.
Yes, beautiful.
It's very, it's porcelain from Japan.
Oh, awesome.
The brand is called Nikko.
I've heard of that brand.
It is really crazy expensive.
Alright, cruise nerds, so brunch up here was amazing, as always. But just wanted to point out the coffee cups and everything. So here's the creamer. Oh my gosh. It's so cute.
And he said it's from Japan.
Yes.
What's the coffee from
And Anna's holding the pot.
It's beautiful.
And then Anna's gonna hold.
Yeah.
Am I in the frame?
Yes.
How beautiful. I can't see what I'm doing.
Funny moment. But anyways, the pot and everything. And there was just a disaster in the kitchen. All the plates just shattered by the sounds of it. Oh, those were some expensive plates.
Hopefully not the coffee pot.
Oh, yeah, hopefully it's not the coffee pot. Anyways, cruise nerds, it's just very pretty, the set and everything.
It's from, did you say it was from?
Yes, it was just
Nico?
Nico brand or
Yeah.
Nico
That
company.
is a very nice
We'll show you
Yes. So here is the name of it, cruise nerds. Yep. Saucer. It's very, very cute. It's okay. But anyways, cruise nerds, just wanted to share that with y'all. So we're just gonna enjoy that. So see y'all real soon after brunch. Ahoy Cruise Nerds, welcome back. So Mom and Anna got desserts. So I'm actually will show Mom's because hers won't spill on anything. But what'd you get, Mom?
Italian,
We'll play it on the video.
yeah,
Well, I'll find the name of it, but yeah, this is the dessert. It looks really, really good. And then
Chocolate fondant.
this is chocolate fondant. Basically a fancy name for a lava cake. I'm saying it wrong, I think. I don't know. And also, I did not get any desserts because I'm just full. Our server.
we can do it now. In the video.
It says happy birthday, Megan. Since today is my birthday, so that was very sweet. So thank you to Boris from Ukraine. So anyways, cruise nerds, I'm just gonna wrap up for now. So I'll see y'all real soon.
Thank you.
Alright, cruise nerds. So Mom and Anna and I are going on a tour, and for here.
Is this it?
Yeah. So we're going on a ship tour. So I'll do a ship tour. We are meeting here at Enchanted Sword Cafe. Alright, cruise nerds. We're leaving the stateroom. And we are headed down to Star Wars Hyperspace Lounge. So cannot wait to enjoy it once again. So we're going to catch an elevator. 3.
Doors closing.
I have medium and bologna. There you go. Alright, you did.
How's the salt? Have you now? Oh no, we have Palo. That's good. Oh, yes.
This is what Megan, which one is that under? That's not it. No, that was it. That was it. This one. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So you look and see what you like.
Ahoy Cruise Nerds, well, welcome back to Hyperspace Lounge, Star Wars. This is deck 3 deck 3 forward, right by the bayou. And it's just the atmosphere. Can't say enough about the atmosphere. It's small still. Well, obviously it's always going to be small, but it's small in variation to others. So it's going to be, you only have 45 minutes in here to enjoy. And you kind of I showed the, somewhat of the menu. So I just love the QR code here, Cruise Nerds. Yeah. So that's amazing. But anyways, Cruise Nerds, I'm going to wrap up here for now. And I will see y'all real soon. See you in a bit.